Day 3. Yesterday was a good time. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Just want to get up and get a head start before everybody else wake up. And then today we're going to Phi Phi Island. That should be dope, man. Last time when I went, I had a good time, so looking forward to it. Yeah, I just told everybody they right there so they could come get them. Oh, it's ready. Ooh. We the first one in here. We get first dibs. First dibs on everything. We don't got people touching all over the stuff. We go first. Let's get it. Yeah, my plate looked a lot better today than it did yesterday. That's for sure. Room situation, like, that was crazy.
They told me I didn't have a room. They didn't see my name.
What the hell? So when you showed them what I sent you, what,
they found the room.
They finally found it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, because it said 3 vans.
Oh, it's 3?
Yeah, 3 vans.
Okay.
You give about 30.
Loading up. Feel better? Okay. Going that one. Either one, honestly. Either one of those two. All loaded up. Head on out. Go to load up on the speedboat. We were right here. Yeah. The rest of the squad. Loading up. It's a nice camera right there.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Dennis. All right.
Yes.
Now, guys.
Nice to meet you.
Now, we don't need head. Now, we make white.
It's good, bro. Good night, my man.
Go white. All right. 32. All together today, 32.
All right.
Can you please put the light ticket on for a while?
Yeah, I mean, that's what he said, 32. So the boat starts off real slow at first until it gets into open water, and then it starts speeding up. It'll take about 45 minutes to get to Phi Phi Island, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to say Phi Phi because I ain't calling it Phi Phi Island. So we start to speed up now a little bit.
Give me something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move.
To Phi Phi Island. This one we call Phi Phi Island. There are no body here, only limestone mountain. There are 2 Phi Phi Island. Another one over there we call Phi Phi Island. All the hotels, restaurants, and local people they are on that island only. And we stop here for half an hour for snorkeling. You breathe from your mouth.
Okay.
And this one going like elephant trunk over the water.
Okay.
So you breathe from here up the water and put your feet inside. Light.
Photo shoot going on. Oh, it's beautiful out here. It's amazing out here. Alright, so we just made our first stop for a little snorkeling. If anybody that want to go in, some people gonna snorkel, some people not.
Wasted youth, wasted love. Yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted.
Instructing everybody to how to use the snorkeling gear. Everyone.
นี่ตัวกระโปรงเอาอันอื่นได้ไหมโอเค
Let's go. She helping her get her gear on. She got a lot of hair, so it's a little more difficult. But she getting it though. They getting it though. They getting it right. Ready to go in?
Hey, Bree.
Right here, I got it on. I got it on.
Have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. Now I'm drifting
Yeah, get out her way, girl. What you doing?
You gotta get on out there in the water. What you do?
Hey. Any last words?
Your earache.
How was it for you?
It was good. It's salty.
It's warm but salty.
Yeah. You alright, girl? It was. You can see all the. You
That was
see all
it?
the fish on the bottom. It's so pretty. So pretty.
That's good, man.
But I never jumped into open water before, so this is a first for me.
Okay.
I saw the fish at the bottom of the water, and this was really new, to say the least.
Yeah, what about you?
It was amazing.
Yeah, so the majority of the group, they went into the water, man, and said it was a dope experience. And that's what it's all about, man. You gotta live your life to the fullest and experience new things. 10 days. Yeah, send me my stack. I need that.
What's all they trying to say? I don't know. I didn't find an article, but if you make over what 60,000,
all my trips is. You gotta check the driver's license and make sure he's official. Them boys, they came deep out here. They weren't playing. You say they're the park, what they call?
No, they work for the national park.
They work for the national park. So they checking the driver's license, make sure he's legit.
Yes, right. Yeah.
They told boy, come on down. Oh.
Bye bye. Wait a minute. What?
Nah, they checking his papers. They were asking questions. They ain't messing around, you hear me? Another boat came by and she got to pay him for something.
She paying the fish.
I don't know what's going on. I guess she got paid them off or something.
Pay them off.
They gonna, yeah.
We pay for the national park fee.
Oh, okay.
100 baht per person.
Oh, okay.
And the boat parking 100 baht. This one is 400.
All right. So what happened was they came in and collected some fee. So.
The person who came here. Phi Phi Island is the national park area. So.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we ain't know what's going on,
You know
but
how
she
much for Thai
clarified.
people? How much for Thai?
How much?
40 baht.
Oh wow. 40 baht.
Visitors 400.
That's like in-state, out-state tuition.
They should give it for free, but they still charge. Okay.
Amazing. That's what life is all about, man. Have these experiences. Amazing, man. So glad we decided to come. Look at this water, man. I'm acting like I ain't been here before, but when you see it again, it's just, you know what I mean? Kind of like when I went to Egypt. I've been to Egypt twice, but both times I saw the pyramids, I was like, it's like the first time. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? Getting all this food. Yes, sir. Docked on the island, Ron. We out here. Yeah, man. About to go grab something to eat. Man, it's only 12 o'clock. It's been an eventful day already, man. I feel like we've done a lot, seen a lot. So I'm glad we about to go get something to eat now. Ooh, ooh. We just had lunch and we about to head to the beach for like an hour and just kick it, you know, unwind a little bit before we get back on the boat. Yeah, come on, man. We living life out here, man. Come on now. Come on, man.
Gang, gang.
Yeah, man. Jamaica to the world, baby. Thailand, we there. My second time I come here, so no, can't really add it to the count, you know. Yeah, but Thailand, a place you can't come more than once, so I still have a good time. So me there again. Thailand, baby.
Get them lights.
You go, girl. You go.
Lights, girl. Yeah.
Alright, now welcome back to the boat. What country is this for you?
4.
So this is your 4th different country you've been to?
Yes.
Okay. All with us?
3 with you.
Okay. Uh-oh, be careful.
Mexico, Jamaica, here, Egypt. No. 4 with you. This is my 4th with you.
All with us? Yeah. That's love, man. Be careful now. I don't want to catch you on camera falling.
I would like to have this.
There we go, girl. There we go. Well, I appreciate that, man. That made me feel really good, man. Young E, what up, son?
What's up, yo? We out here, next level.
Oh, get that hand sandy.
One of the best travel groups y'all ever seen in your life, right here. Best black travel groups right there, next level. If you ain't with next level, then you ain't with it.
Alright. Back, baby. Alright, guys, so back at the hotel after a very long and eventful day. Just gonna go ahead and end this episode right here. Once again, thanks for watching and checking out my channel, Jamaica to the World, where I chronicle my quest to visit 50 different countries. Peace, love, big up on yourself. Take care. I'm in sooner later here. Alright, so.